Hi crocheters, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the easiest flowers ever. They're super simple, quick, and beginner friendly. We'll be making two types, one using double crochet and the other using the bobble stitch. Materials. For this project you'll need yarn. The color and thickness are totally up to you. Scissors. A crochet hook. I'll be using a 2.5 millimeters hook. Let's begin. We're going to start by making a magic ring. If you don't know how to make a magic ring, don't worry. I have a video where I show you step by step how to make a magic ring and some other basic stitches. So check it out first and then come back to this tutorial. Insert your hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through and make a slip stitch. Now we'll chain 2. Make the first half of a double crochet 3 times into the magic ring. That means yarn over. Insert the hook into the ring, yarn over again, pull through, stop there, don't complete the double crochet. Do that 3 times. You should now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through all 4 loops. Make a slip stitch to finish the petal. Then chain 2, make a slip stitch into the ring and start the next petal. Repeat the same process for a total of 5 petals. When you're done, make a final slip stitch. Fasten off and pull the yarn tail through. Tighten the magic ring to close the center. Use the 2 yarn tails to tie a knot at the back and secure everything. And that's it. This is your first flower. Super easy, fast, and so cute. Here's how it looks. For the next flower, we're going to begin with a magic ring, then make a slip stitch, followed by 2 chains. After that, we'll do 3 full double crochets. 1, 2, 3, then chain 2. Insert your hook into the magic ring and make a slip stitch. Now we repeat the process. Chain 2. Make 3 double crochets. Chain 2. Insert the hook into the ring and slip stitch. Chain 2 again. We'll repeat this process 5 times in total because our flower has 5 petals. Once you've finished, make a final slip stitch. Fasten off and pull the yarn tail through. Tighten the magic ring to close the center. Use the 2 yarn tails to tie a knot at the back and secure everything. And that's it. This is how your flower should look. It's a bit smaller than the one made with the bobble stitch. The bobble stitch gives the flower a more puffy, 3D look, while this one, made with double crochet, looks a bit flatter. Can you see the difference between them two? Alright guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day and a wonderful week. See you next time. Bye-bye.